Hi, my name is Kylie from GF Oats Australia. Welcome to another episode of Kylie's Kitchen and welcome to my kitchen. Today I am super excited because we have our very first special guest has come to my kitchen. We have Kate from Healthy Little Eaters and she is going to help us with a beautiful breakfast recipe this morning. Now, Kate, can you tell us who you are, what you do, and where you come from?
Sure. Thanks so much. Well, I'm Kate Pearce, and as Kylie said, I'm the founder of a business, Healthy Little Eaters. And at Healthy Little Eaters, we inspire every child to feel like a superhero and importantly, eat like one. So having two children myself and a background as a pediatric nurse, I really feel there's so much value in teaching our children the importance of eating fruits and vegetables really early. So that's what we do. I'm from Townsville, North Queensland. Love the heat up there. Yeah, I'm super excited to be here.
Excellent, thank you. Well, let's get into this recipe. So, please stay for the end because Kate has something special to show you and a very special offer just for the GF Oats viewers.
That's right.
Alrighty, let's go. I'm really excited for this.
Yes, I'm so
Over
excited
to you.
for this. All right, so we are making a berry breakfast bowl this morning, and we are going to use, first of all, some frozen banana, which we're going to do some blending first. So
And Kate, I got these from our local farmers markets here in Toowoomba, so if you can buy local, buy local.
Please, always buy local, definitely. All right, so the frozen bananas are going to go in. We're going to also add some frozen blueberries. Straight in there. You can use any frozen berry, that's absolutely fine. And we are going to blend it up.
So see you in a minute. Right, now Kate, we have blended the banana and the berry together.
Yes.
Let's go to the next step.
Let's go. All right, so we are literally just going to scrape up our
Smells
beautiful...
so good.
So this is kind of like ice cream now. If you ever wanted to make a healthy ice cream as well, this just goes straight in here. And this is going to make the bottom of our berry bowl.
I actually have to tell you the truth, I haven't ever put a berry bowl together.
Haven't you?
No.
Oh,
they look so pretty online, but I
they're beautiful.
haven't done it.
And when you make your own, you can do it really cheaply.
Yeah.
Which is amazing.
Yeah.
So that becomes our base, just like that.
That's enough.
Well, that's what we've got. Yep, so that's
kitchen
perfect.
helper.
Thank you so much. Scrape out every last little bit. All right, perfect.
Beautiful. Right, give me that.
Okay, so there's our beautiful base. Then what we're going to do is add our fresh fruit and obviously our oats. So we can start with anything really. We can start with some strawberries. And then you just make a nice strip with your berries. It looks something like this. Like that. You can go for your life really and add as much or as little as you want. And these bowls are so appealing to the eye. So if you want kids to eat them or something, get the fruit in, it's a perfect way. Then you can go banana, layer it up like this.
It's beautiful.
It's coming together. Perfect, just like that. Then we can do our beautiful kiwi fruit. Kiwi, I think, tops it off beautifully.
Yeah, it does. You can see you need that bit of green.
I think so. Then we have it like this. We've got our beautiful layers. And then for the most important part, we do our oats, which we just add to the side like this. You can add as much as you want. You can do it all over the top, it's up to you. But to keep it looking nice and pretty, we just do like a layer like this on the side. Beautiful. And then we can just get some shredded coconut. And
so I guess you could use nuts or anything else if you
wanted to.
you
can use whatever you would like. You can add nuts, seeds. You can even add little chocolate cacao nibs if you wanted it chocolatey. Really, you can do whatever you like.
We've got some beautiful little raw chocolate bits that we have on our online shop. So
there you go.
By all means, grab yourself a packet of those.
Yeah, we often add in a little bit of chocolate. Beautiful. And then it looks something like that.
Beautiful. Well, there you have it. So that's an easy berry breakfast bowl. And that is just gorgeous, Kate.
It's
Thank
beautiful.
you so much.
You're
That
most welcome.
looks so welcoming. So hang on, and we are going to share something really special with you.
Yes.
Right, so here's our special surprise. This is awesome, and this is what Kate has created. So Kate, can you please share with everyone this very, very special card set?
Of course. So this is the Healthy Little Eaters memory game and puzzle. And how it's been designed is that what it really does is teaches children why they need to eat fruits and veggies, and in a way they can really understand, and it's really fun. So what children do is they simply go through and they match the colours of the borders. So you can see the 2 red cards here, and children learn that eating tomatoes is really good for your heart. And so it goes on. There's 24 matches. You can see here eating grapes. We've got the purple cards are really good for your blood cells. So it's a really great way to introduce young children to different fruits and vegetables and their body parts, making getting healthy eating to make sense really. And the cool thing is that these cards also flip over to make a giant floor puzzle, and they actually show the visual link between how fruits and vegetables actually look like our body parts.
It's
and
fantastic.
Kids love it. They really love it. Yeah.
So well done. This is a super cool kit, and when I first saw it, I just wanted to have Kate here, and was lucky to be my very first guest.
Amazing.
So I hear that you have a very special offer for our GF Oats viewers.
I do. Just for you guys, if you enter the code MyHealthyEater on the website, you'll receive 15% off, which is really cool.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for being my very first guest here in my kitchen, and we hope that you have a crack at this. I'm going to put the link in the comments below, so check that out to Kate's website, and we'll also remind you what the code is so that you can make use of that. So definitely go and grab some of these cards. Do yourself a favour.
Yeah, exactly. Do yourself and your kids. Yeah, it's an awesome thing. Yeah.
So thank you very much everybody for joining us. Please share this video. Let us know where you're tuning in from. And thank you very much for watching our episode of Kylie's Kitchen. Bye now.
Bye. Thank you.